Hello my lovelies, how you all doing? Hope you're keeping well and staying crafty. I'm coming on to show you a little project that I've finished off today. And I actually really love it, and Mr. Doodle does as well. Right, look, how adorable is she? The beautiful image is from the Collage Soup ebook that I've printed out last week. I absolutely adore their ebooks. They're beautiful. I'm so pleased that they, do the printable version. I don't think not sure whether they do all of the books as printables. I don't think they do. I might be wrong on that, but there's some just beautiful images. So yeah, so I printed her out. Well, there's a sheet of them, and I just chose this one. I like her different coloured eyes. And then I made her a little dress. We sort of changed what I was going to do. I made her a little dress out of paper, out of my Painty paper. And then I actually backed it onto some stiff card, because this is just printed out on 160 GSM, so not ever so thick. So I put it onto some sturdy card, did her up a little paper dress. Like, nah, don't think so. And I even doodled on it a little bit. Well, not doodled, just scribbled around the flowers and such like. I thought, no. Well, put her a little fabric dress on. So I came into the craft room and went through all my laces. I'm like, no. And then I remembered that I'd got this, and this is from when I had, several years ago, had it down as a drop sheet. And eventually, when it was all filled up, I cut it into loads, into strips, and I've used them to make different tassels and ties round things and all sorts of things. And then I'd done some ruffles, and I'd forgotten that I'd done the ruffles, and it just came to me. I thought, I've got those Painty fabric ruffles, really pretty they are. So I just layered it up, and that was that. And then I'd found this pom-pom trim. Originally I'd put the pom-pom trim across the bottom of the paper one. No, I didn't like that. So anyway, so I just love it. And then Mr. Doodle says, well, she needs a little hat. So I did it again when he said, have you got any more of this? A little hat would look nice. So I did her like a little bandana and put some bling on. I was going to put glossy accents on the eyes, but I don't want to spoil it. And then I thought, right, she wants some wings. So I thought I'd got some cardboard wings that, well, 2 or 3 people have sent me their cardboard wings, but I've used them all in other journals and that. But then I was going through my drawers of Happy Mail, and the lovely Linda Pierce had sent me some wallpaper. It's a wallpaper sample, so I just stuck those to card. It was actually greys. Stuck that to some card and coloured it in with some pencils, and then afterwards I found another sheet that was purple. But anyway, that's what I'd done. I think these colours go with the little dress. And then on the back I couldn't leave it white, so I went all over it with some Pebeo paints. And then this Linda Pierce sent me this lovely eyelash trim, and I just think she's beautiful. I couldn't make my mind up whether to give her legs or not, but I didn't. Oh, and I forgot to say, this is for the lovely Anne Lane for her birthday, because she likes cats. So Anne, if you want to give her legs, feel free to do so. And I think you probably look nice with some glitter on the wings. If you want to do what you like with it. But yeah, so I obviously won't upload this video until I know Anne's got it. I'm going to send her some other little bits as well. And then I've also made her a card. Did this card. I love this as well. a few months ago I got into, didn't even know it existed, got into doing the AI printing, the artificial intelligent, where you put different words in and it generates an image. I know some people really scorn upon it, but I think it's great. I think it's great that you know, you think up words, and I even got my daughter into it for a while. She says, "Oh, this is cool, Mum." I said, "Yeah, it is." And so then I took the image across to Procreate and did the words and the background, and it's just fun, and I think it's lovely. I've made loads of these cards. I did one for Mr. Doodle's sister and his brother-in-law and their anniversary, and another friend's birthday, and some Valentine's cards, and yeah, I just love doing it. So that's that. So I hope you like them, Anne. And the other bits that I send you, I think she's so pretty. I think she's really lovely. And like as I say, feel free to add to it or whatever. And I didn't put that all the way up, but I thought, well, you probably just want to stand it up, or if you wanted to hang it, you can. And she does hang all right, I've checked. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.